Students, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. In sequencing, only one problem we did based on 3 machines. Okay, I will teach one more problem. Then my syllabus will be completed. Then 1 more hour I will take either on means Friday and Saturday. Probably you are having vivas related to SIP. Then I will take 1 more hour. Okay, I will see. From tomorrow onwards, there will be no DS lecture schedule. Whatever the queries you are having, okay, you can send me a mail or you can WhatsApp. Whatever the way it is feasible, you can communicate with me. Is it clear? Today is last lecture according to the syllabus. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will send one more document combining of all problems for practice purpose. Okay, within a day or 2 days, I will send a mail. And I want to discuss this. Most of the students, whatever the concurrent evaluations they have submitted, somebody simply copied and pasted. That's why in ERP also, from which friend you have taken that also, that link is also it is showing. That's why don't do that, students. You are at risk. And most of the students in solving PERT, okay, solve the PERT, how you got the Z value. For example, here most of the students made a mistake. Whatever the common mistakes, after completion of this problem, then I will explain. That is better. Go through the 7th problem, students. Go through the 7th problem. Here, items 1 to 5. Machine A, B, C, 446, 959, 8311, 628, 367. Okay. What I told, we have to verify for 2 conditions. Either one of the condition holds, we will proceed further. The first condition is what we have checked. Minimum AI, that is machine A, is greater than or equal to maximum BI, or what is the other condition we are having? The second condition, minimum CI is greater than or equal to maximum BI. Okay, if any one of the condition holds, then your GI is equal to AI plus BI, HI is equal to BI plus CI. Okay, here first we will verify the first condition. In this processing time minimum is 3, greater than or equal to, we will verify. In machine B maximum value is 6, 3 is greater than or equal to 6. This condition doesn't hold. Then we will verify this. Minimum CI, minimum is 6, greater than or equal to maximum B. Maximum is 6, 6 greater than or equal to 6. Instead of this condition holds. Either of the condition holds, then what is the formula? GI is equal to AI plus BI. HI is equal to CI plus BI. BI plus CI. Again, I am repeating, students. 3 items are there. 2 conditions we have to verify. Either one condition satisfies, then you have to apply this formula. Here, this is not satisfying, that is first condition. 3 is not greater than or equal to 6. That's why this condition doesn't hold. Another condition we will verify. C, minimum processing time is in machine C, minimum processing time is 6. In machine B, maximum processing time is 6, 6 greater than or equal to 6. That's why HI is equal to BA plus CA. Even though one of the condition holds, we will apply this formula as well as this formula. Then, any query? It is very simple. Then, what we have to write? Again, we will write items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, we have to write GI, HI. GI means AI plus BI. Write down 4 plus 4, 8, 9 plus 5, 14, 8 plus 3, 11, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. Then similarly, HI, that is B plus C, 6 plus 4, it's 10, 5 plus 9, it's again 14, 11 plus 3, 14, 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 7, 13. Right now, we have to make 5 blocks. In this, if you observe carefully, on first machine, that is machine G, here the minimum processing time is 8. Here the minimum processing time is 8. Okay, then here the job item is 1, item is 4. Okay, if you want to take, if it is on first machine, we used to take left to right. Here I will consider 1, later 4. You don't want to consider because here also minimum processing time is 10. Here also minimum processing time is 10. Okay, there is a time in second machine. Correct? Then you have to choose randomly. Ma'am, you have taken 1, 4. I will take 4, 1. It is also valid, students. It is also valid. If there is a time, then you have to choose randomly. Whatever the sequence you want to prefer it. Here I have taken 1, 4. You don't want to take 1, 4, take it 4, 1. Even though we will get the same answer. Clear? Then this goes off. The item 1 goes off as well as the item 4 goes off. Then here later minimum processing time is 9. That is on item 5. Correct? 9:30. Minimum processing time is at item 5. That means left to right. That is 5. Right now, again, if you see here, minimum processing time is 11:14. Again, it is on machine 1. That means initially which one is processed? 3. Item 3 is processed. Remaining is 2. Remaining is 2. Yesterday, most of the students are having doubt. For example, listen students, this is on machine B. The processing time is 14:14. On machine A, for example, here I am having 12. Here I am having 15. For example, the job number or item number, consider it as 4 and 5. Okay. In some textbooks, there is a minimum processing time. Okay. Okay. Here I should take the 16. Okay. 16:15. Okay. Here 14:14. Minimum processing time is 14. In some textbooks, what they suggested, if the processing time is more, subscript last. If the processing time is minimum, that is 15. Initially, you have to perform 5th job, later 4th job. Some textbooks have suggested that. Okay, if there is a time you feel that you want to choose randomly, take randomly, even though you will get the same answer. That is up to you. Any query? Saurabh, understood, Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, J.K. Sharma has mentioned whatever the maximum processing time is there, subscript last. Only in J.K. Sharma it has given. Another one is N.D. Taha book has suggested that. Most of the textbooks suggested if there is a time, choose arbitrarily. Right now, items. Take down the sequence 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. If you want to take it 4, 1, you can take it. Even though you will get the same answer, I have verified. Then time in, time out for machine A. Similarly for machine B, in, out. For machine C, time in, time out. Okay. What I told, what I have suggested, Whenever the item number 1 is performed on machine A, it always starts with the 0, whatever the minutes or hours. Here also again it is given in terms of hours. Okay, 0th hour. To perform item 1, machine A is taking how many hours time? 4 hours time. 4. Okay, immediately it will go. Otherwise, you want to write continuously, you can write. That is up to you. Then 4 will come here to perform item number 4. The corresponding value is 6 hours. That is 4 plus 6, 10. Immediately it will enter here. To perform 5th item, machine A is taking how many hours? 3 hours. That is 30. Immediately it will come here. To perform 3rd item, machine A will take 8 hours. 13 plus 8, it's 21. Immediately it will come here. To perform item number 2, it will take 9 hours. 21 plus 9, it's 30. Okay. Item number 1 will be completed on machine A, later machine B, later machine C. Then immediately these 4 hours will carry forward here. After 4th hour only, item 1 will go for machine B. Then after that, to perform item number 1, again machine B is taking how many hours? 4 hours. That is 4 plus 4, 8. Here you should not write 8 because to perform 4th job, to perform 4th item on machine A, it is taking 10 hours. After 10 hours only, the item 4 will go to machine B. That's why you should not take 8 here. You have to take 10 here. Then to perform item number 4, machine B will take how many hours? 2 hours. That is 12. Okay. Then here you should not take 12 because machine A is busy till 13th hour to perform item 5. That's why you should not take 12 here. 13 you have to take. To perform 5th job on machine B, it is taking how many hours? 6 hours. That is 13 plus 6, 19. Again same. Here you cannot take 19 because machine A is busy to perform item number 3 till 21st hour. You have to take 21 here. To perform item 3 on machine B, how much time it is taking? 3 hours. 21 plus 3, it is 24. Okay. Till the time machine B performing 3rd job, 3rd item till 24 hours. To perform item number 2, machine A is taking 30. The next sequence is machine B. That's why here you should not take 24. It is 30. To perform 2nd job, machine B is taking how many hours? 5 hours. 30 plus 5, 35. Okay. To perform item number 1, machine A is busy till 4th hour, machine B is busy till 8th hour. Immediately it will enter into machine C. To perform item 1, machine C is taking how many hours? 6 hours. That is 8 plus 6, it's 14. Okay. Machine B is busy to perform item number 4 till 12th hour. Okay then. But machine C is busy till 14th hour to complete item number 1. That's why 12 won't come here, 14 will come here. To perform 4th item, machine C is taking how many hours? 8 hours. That is 22. To perform 4th item itself, machine C is taking 22 hours. After completion of this, after completion of 4th item, then only it will take 5th item. That's why 19 won't come here, 22 will come here. To perform 5th item, machine C is taking how much time? 7 hours. That is 22 plus 7, 29. Then machine C is taking to perform item 3 here. See, 29 hours to complete 5th item. Later only it will take 3rd job. To perform 3rd job on machine B, it is taking 24 hours. But to perform 5th job in sequence, it is taking 29 hours. After completion of 5th item, then only machine C will take 3rd item. That's why this 29 hours will come here. To perform 3rd item, machine C is taking how many hours? 11 hours. 29 plus 11, it's 40. Again, to perform 3rd item, machine C is busy till 40 hours. Later only item 2 will be taken. That's why 40 will come here. To perform item 2 on machine C, it is taking how many hours? 9 hours. That is 49. Right now, what we need to calculate? total elapsed time, that is machine C timeout is your total elapsed time, that is T is 49 hours. If it is given in terms of hours, write down hours. If it is in minutes, write down in minutes. Okay, then we need to calculate idle time for machine A. Idle time for machine A. The formula is machine out, that is C, machine out, last out, that is machine C time out minus machine A time out, that is 49 minus 30, it is 19 hours. Similarly, we need to calculate idle time for machine B. For machine B, what I told, how to calculate for machine B initially, it is idle, it is vacant for 4 hours, that's why you have to take these 4 hours. Then what I told, 10 minus 8, 13 minus 12, 21 minus 19, 30 minus 24. Along with this, what I told, idle time for machine B is equal to, along with this, what I told, 49 machine C time out minus machine B time out also you have to consider. Here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 1 15. Along with these 15 hours, what we have to write? Machine time out of C minus machine time out of B. That is 49 minus 35 also we have to consider. Don't forget to write this, otherwise marks will be deducted. Then finally we are going to get how many hours? 29 hours. Correct? 14 plus 15, 29 hours. Right now, we need to calculate what? Again, idle time for machine C. Idle time for machine C. Here, machine C is idle till 8 hours. That is, these 8 hours we have to take. After that, 14 minus 14, it's 0. 22 minus 22, 0. 29 minus 29, 0. 40 minus 40, it's 0. That means idle time for machine C is only 8 hours. Any queries, students? Students, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This way you have to solve the problems. Okay. And one more thing, second concurrent evaluation, most of the students are still B division also have. A division I have completed. Who has submitted? I have completed that. But most of the students I don't know. I feel that some of the students copy the mistakes as it is. Okay, friends, mistakes carry forwarded. Ashish, I remembered yours. First, I will take his name. Ashish, what you did? Probability of Z is less than minus 1.33. Okay, you have taken this. Then what you wrote? Minus infinity less than Z less than 0. You have written the formula is like this. Probability of 0 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to 1.33 minus 1.33, like that you wrote. That is wrong, Ashish. That is wrong, Ashish. Here, see what I told. This is minus infinity to plus infinity. Z is less than minus 1.33. Minus 1.33 means it is lying on left hand side. That is minus 1.33. That is Z is less than. That means what I need to calculate? I need to calculate minus infinity to minus 1.33. In normal distribution, do we have negative values? Whatever the table values I have given to you. Ashish. Okay.
Ma'am.
हाँ ये mistake किया है आप एक बार check कर
Ma'am,
लें.
this is not my mistake, ma'am.
हाँ?
This is not my mistake, ma'am. I have written that E of minus infinity less than equals to Z less than equals to 0 minus probability of minus 1.33 is less than Z is less than equals to 0.
Then you haven't written this. I remember because here probability of what we have to write? We have to write Z is greater than positive value, no, means Z is greater than plus 1.33. You have missed this. Do we have negative values? Ashish, in our table, do we have negative values? Normal distribution, negative values, hai kya?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then probability of Z is greater than plus 1.33 by using symmetry. Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, you made a mistake. Here you wrote this probability of Z less than minus 1.33. Simply
Yes.
you wrote. But on what basis Z is greater than plus 1.33? Here you missed this. Since by symmetry.
Okay.
Marks will be deducted, I told. Otherwise, external will thought that somewhere she has copied. Sorry to say this, okay? आप लोग next time से mistake नहीं करना चाहिए इसलिए बता रहे हैं. I don't want to miss.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No need to say sorry, ma'am.
ऐसा कुछ मत ले लीजिए. हम क्यों हमारे नाम ही ले रहे हैं? Most of the students made mistakes, but you are regular students. That's why I remembered. Probability of Z is less than minus 1.33. You have written Z greater than 1.33. You have to mention Vaishnavi by symmetry property. By symmetry property, Z greater than plus 1.33. Then some students wrote directly the answer, whatever the answer, 0.0918 something. Here, probability of Z greater than 1.33 because it consists of 4 marks, I told in the final examination. Okay, here, by using this, we were unable to solve if it is of negative values. Because here Z, if you remember, it is starting with positive value, whatever the table I have provided. That's why this is mandatory. If it is Z greater than 1.33, this is plus infinity, right? That means we need to study plus 1.33 to plus infinity. This region we need to find out. Then how to solve that? This is equal to this entire region I will consider. That is probability of 0 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to infinity. This entire region I have considered. From that, what I have to exclude? This region I have to exclude. That is 1.33 to infinity. That's why you have written probability of, okay, 1.33 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to infinity. This. Then only you will get 0.5 minus whatever the value. Understood? Okay, this mistake. And Sejal, for CPM, you got for activity E, I hope. For activity E, you got a negative value. That is wrong. Formula substitution was wrong. Sejal?
Okay, ma'am.
Formula substitution E or F, I am not sure. E, I hope 99% E, you made mistake. Minus 12 is approximately equal to 0, you wrote. Verify. Most of the students substituted the formulas wrongly. Okay, you would
Okay, ma'am. I will change it.
Okay, Sachin. And by symmetry property, most of the students didn't try. And directly probability of Z greater than plus 1.33, directly students got the answer, that is 0.091, whatever the value. You should not write like that. And one more student also. And total float and free float values, most of the students' values are wrong. And I asked only network arrow diagram. Most of the students wrote that also. General sequence diagram, I didn't ask sequence diagram, but most of the students wrote sequence diagram also. What I asked network arrow diagram, but most of the students wrote sequence diagram. And node values also differs. Verify. Anyhow you have submitted the concurrent evaluation, I will give full marks. But these mistakes you should not repeat in the final examination. That is my intention. Don't think the other way. Total float and free float. Lakshmikant is from this batch only. Lakshmikant. Okay, he is not there. Lakshmikant wrote the correct values, later rectified. Friends का देख के वापस 0 0 कर दिया था. 3 3 he got the values, later he made it zeros. right values, he has made wrong values later. Some students copied and pasted, I know that. In ERPT showing, आपका नाम नहीं दिख रहा है, जिससे लिया है उसी का नाम दिख रहा है, ऐसा भी है, ऐसा मत करो. और मेरी तरफ से क्या क्या इनपुट्स चाहिए प्लीज लेट मी नो. अभी अनलिमिटेड वर्जन ही ले लूंगी मैं, क्योंकि टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए आप लोगों का, इसलिए मेरी तरफ से और क्या इनपुट्स चाहिए. गो थ्रू द सिलेबस. 100% from my side I have completed the syllabus. If anything remains, please let me know. Prathamesh, Vaishnavi, from my side any inputs?
No, ma'am. Like the DS, we have understood very well. Just the thing is like if we get the sums or questions for practice, so it will be great for us for final.
I will send. That is from my side. I will send.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's it. Otherwise, we understood whatever you have taught in the sessions.
Okay, okay. If you didn't understood, then means just make me send me a mail or whatever the concepts you are not clear for each and every student. I am not telling to Vaishnavi only, for each and every student. Whatever the queries you are having, okay, send me a mail, okay, or through WhatsApp you can contact. Okay, I am ready to help you. But our intention is 50 out of 50 marks we should get in the final examination. Because theory is less, only first question is having theory, that means 49 is possible. Saurav, you want to say something, Saurav? From my side, any inputs you require?
No, ma'am.
Manasvi?
मैम जो क्वेश्चंस भेजोगे ना उसके आंसर्स भी भेजना उसके साथ, लाइक इन ब्रैकेट व्हाटएवर द आंसर्स आर.
Okay, definitely.
वेरीफाई करनी है.
Whatever the concurrent evaluation answers I will send through WhatsApp or through mail. Concurrent evaluation answers, concurrent evaluation 2 answers I will send today itself. Please go through where you made a mistakes. I will give full marks, don't worry. I don't want to deduct your marks. But copy paste mat karna koi bhi. And if anybody wants to give inputs to me, you can. आशीष,
Yes, ma'am.
मेरी तरफ से और कुछ इनपुट्स चाहिए क्या? मींस एक्सेप्ट प्रॉब्लम्स, आई विल सेंड प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस. और कुछ इनपुट्स चाहिए क्या मेरे तरफ से?
No, ma'am.
And YouTube links also we had sent verified. Whatever the YouTube links means for each and every chapter. YouTube links till September and we have uploaded. Go through that also. I will send problems from each chapter. You have to do practice. Till the time we didn't get a circular from Pune University how the paper pattern will be. Maybe probably after January only they will conduct exams. After completion of Pongal they were planning, but I don't know. Okay, be prepared. MCQs also I will send. MCQs also for each and every chapter, because 2016 pattern syllabus is having MCQs. That's why I will send MCQs also. Okay.
Ma'am.
हाँ, आशीष बोलिए.
मैम अगर मैम रिटर्न एग्जाम होती है तो जिस फॉर्मेट में क्वेश्चन पेपर मतलब आंसर शीट लिखी है ना, वैसे अगर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट में एक एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके मिलेगा क्या? फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि किस स्टेप में मार्क्स है.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am. That would be great for us.
सुनिए एक मिनट. मीन्स वैष्णवी, अभी तक तो यूनिवर्सिटी से मीन्स ए पेपर पैटर्न कंडक्ट करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 marks, second question consists of 5 marks, remaining 3 chapters, each chapter consists of 10 marks. ऐसा सर्कुलर अभी तक नहीं आया है related to DS, because means university has added our numbers through their WhatsApp group, but we didn't get the message. In case एक बार message आ गया तो then I will upload how the question paper will be. आशीष समझ में आया?
Ma'am, I'm not asking about question paper. Just now you explained the query about that probability of z less than or equals to minus 1.33 na. There we didn't return that property.
हाँ,
So we want to know where we have to return that kind of things. So if we get one sample example of solution, then we can refer that to solve other problems.
ओके ओके। आप एक मीन्स आपको जो भी चाहिए आप लोग एक बार मेरे को व्हाट्सएप में पिंग कर दीजिए, मैं उसका सॉल्यूशन इमीडिएटली आई विल सेंड।
Yes,
Ashish,
ma'am.
whatever the problems you are having in your mind, please send a mail or through WhatsApp. Immediately I will respond.
Yes, ma'am. WhatsApp करता हूँ मैं. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
पॉसिबल हुआ ना तो ऐसे एक प्रैक्टिस सेशन काइंड ऑफ
Manasvi, your voice is not audible, Manasvi.
हेलो मैम,
Manasvi means WhatsApp. Make a WhatsApp, whatever the message you want to give. And this question probably MCQs भी हो सकते हैं, never know. Last time ये problem हुआ था, maybe I don't know whether you have heard this news or not. UG exams, that is BSc, BCom exams, theory exams कैसा लिखा है स्टूडेंट्स, सब फ्रेंड्स के घर में इकट्ठा होके सब लोग एक ही टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस लिख के अपलोड किया है। ये भी यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, अभी पता चला ये न्यूज, स्टूडेंट्स को पता चला क्या ये न्यूज?
No, ma'am.
अभी क्या है, लास्ट टाइम का आप लोगों को तो प्रमोट किया, अभी जो फाइनल ईयर में है, फॉर एग्जांपल बीएससी व्हाटएवर इट इज, बीकॉम फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को थ्योरी पेपर्स व्हाटएवर पेपर्स यूनिवर्सिटी ने जो दिया है वो पेपर्स क्या किया था, फ्रेंड्स के घर में जाके सब लोग इकट्ठा होके लिख के सब लोग एक ही सेम पैटर्न अपलोड किया था। फॉर एग्जांपल 10 स्टूडेंट्स, रोल नंबर 1 to 10, आप सब लोग इकट्ठा होके सेम पेपर लिखे, सीक्वेंस भी चेंज नहीं, क्वेश्चन पेपर सीक्वेंस आल्सो डिडंट चेंज, सेम दे हैव अपलोडेड ऑल 10 स्टूडेंट्स। ऐसा 2-3 जगह पे प्रॉब्लम हो गया, इसलिए ये लोग प्रॉक्टर्ड एग्जाम रखने का ऑनलाइन कंडक्ट किया, तो भी प्रॉक्टर्ड ऐसा मीटिंग में हुआ है। अभी हाउ मच इट इज पॉसिबल आई डोंट नो, इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है शायद, इसलिए ये लोग इस बार सिस्टमैटिक वे में कंडक्ट करना है ऐसा बोल रहे हैं। फॉर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स तो वो लोगों को तो ऑफलाइन एग्जाम ही कंडक्ट किया है, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स को मिनिमम इंस्ट्रक्शंस लेके वो लोग 6 फीट डिस्टेंस लेके एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट किया मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। अभी आप लोगों को कैसा होता है पता नहीं, सब सेम क्वेश्चन पेपर सीक्वेंस सेम है 1 to 10, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से 10 क्वेश्चंस 10 स्टूडेंट्स ने सॉल्व किया, एज इट इज अपलोड किया, बट रोल नंबर्स भी सिमिलर है वो लोगों को 1 to 10, देन प्रॉब्लम कॉपीड ना। और एक इंसिडेंस भी हुआ ऑफलाइन एग्जाम के टाइम पे, 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं आपका सुपर सीनियर्स है, MIS एग्जाम के टाइम पे ऐसा ही हुआ था, 3 लोग कॉपी किया था एक दूसरों से, फिर वो 3 लोगों को भी हेड में रखा है, सेम सीक्वेंस में आया था, दैट इज आल्सो ए प्रॉब्लम। इसलिए बी प्रिपेयर्ड, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लास्ट मिनट MCQs हो गया तो वो भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। MCQs है तो आई हैव टू टेक अगेन लेक्चर्स, MCQs भी मैं सेंड करके रखती हूँ आप लोगों को, ओके, गो थ्रू द MCQs आल्सो, MCQ सेंड करके रखती हूँ, प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रॉब्लम्स प्रैक्टिस करो, जैसा भी यूनिवर्सिटी से न्यूज़ मिल जाता है आई विल इंटीमेट, क्लियर? so many problems, what to do? एक बार 5th प्रॉब्लम देख लीजिए प्लीज, 5th प्रॉब्लम देख लीजिए, इसका सीक्वेंस कैसा लिखना है, गो थ्रू द 5th प्रॉब्लम। जो भी है सिंपल क्वेरी है, आप लोग मेरे को व्हाट्सएप या मेल कर दीजिए, इमीडिएटली आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड, you can make a call also, no problem. M1 M2, write down the sequence, try to write down the sequence, If it is theory exam, concentrate more on PERT, sequencing, 2 machines only, 99% they will give 2 machines. And Modi method. एक लेक्चर लेने वाला है मैं वापस. Make the sequence 3, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9 blocks. 9 blocks. Okay, 9 blocks. Initially, minimum processing time is 2. That means initially job A is processed on left to right. Next here. Next one is here 3, correct? Minimum is 3 appeared twice. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 7. Okay, that means 3, 6. Minimum processing time will be taken initially. That's why it is on second machine. That's why right to left. That means E is processed initially. Later G. If you want to choose randomly, you can choose it. If there is a if you want to choose randomly, and you don't want to take E initially, first we will take G. You will get the same answer. Okay, in some textbooks it is suggested that minimum processing time, take the job first. That's why we have taken E. Later G. Otherwise, if you want to keep EG also, it is valid. Then after that, minimum processing time here see 4, 7, 4, 11. Correct? 4, 7, 4, 11. That means minimum processing time is G 7. Later minimum processing time is 11. That's why initially C will be taken. That is on machine 1 left to right. Later I. After that, here we are having 4, 9. Correct? Minimum processing time is 4. That is on machine 2. That means from right to left, the job is performed is D. Later, here 5, 8, here 5, 8. Minimum processing time 5, 8. Okay? Both the cases it is a type. Here 5, here 5, here also 8, 8. If you want to choose randomly, then initially you have chosen B, later H, or you can take HB. Anyway, you will get the same answer. Either you take initially B, later H, it is valid. If you want to take H initially, later B, it is valid. Your remaining job is there. Finally, you will get total elapsed time. Answer is 61 hours for this problem. Total elapsed time is 61 hours. Idle time for machine 1, that is 61 minus 50, 11 hours you will get. Machine 1 answer is 11 hours. For machine 2 the answer is 2 hours. Clear? Any query? Tomorrow onwards there will be no DS lecture. Whatever the time slot, practice problems. Within a day or 2 days I will send the problems.